You've got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. When the road looks rough ahead and you're miles and miles from your nice warm bed, you just remember what your old pal said. You got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You've got troubles, I got them too. There isn't anything I wouldn't do for you. We stick together, I see it through. 'Cause you got a friend in me. Yeah, you got a friend in me. Some of the folks might be a little bit smarter than I am, bigger and stronger too.
Smile at the storm, it dries in my vessel. I can smile at the storm. Jesus is me home. Sailing, I'm sailing home. Sailing, I'm sailing home. It dries in my vessel. I can smile at the storm.
It takes me home. Until, dapat until.
Ay, pamart ko kayo sa akin. Ay, ano gusto nyo bilhin? Depende. 20 lang budget, 20. 20 pesos lang, 20 pesos. Bawal Magnum. Yan. 20 lang, 20 lang. O sige, hanggang 28. Hanggang 28 pwede. Hanggang 28. O sige, sige na, hanggang 28. Pwede 28. Baka gusto mo yun. Gusto mo na ganito? 28 lang. Hanggang 28 pesos lang. O sige kuya, ito gusto mo. Apo. O, hanggang basta hanggang 28 lang.
Uy, ito gusto ko!
O, sige, okay na yan. Hey. Sia.
Ate po! Ate po! Kuya! Ate! Kuya!
Ano sasabihin mo daw?
Ate!